In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the visibility of elements within Webflow. This is a simple yet incredibly useful skill to have when designing your website, as it allows you to control what your users see and interact with on the page. Whether you're currently designing a new project or refining an existing one, understanding how to toggle visibility can help you create a cleaner and more efficient design. First, let's get started by opening your Webflow project. Once you have your project open, you'll be greeted by your design workspace. Here, you should see all your elements laid out, and it's in this space that you'll select which elements you want to hide or show. Now, navigate to the particular element on your canvas that you wish to hide. Simply click on it. You'll notice that when the element is selected, it becomes highlighted, letting you know it's ready for editing. Once your element is selected, draw your attention to the right-hand side of the Webflow interface. You'll see a panel with a variety of options that allow you to style and configure your elements. In this section, look for the Settings tab. This tab is essential for defining various properties of your element, including visibility. Click on it, and you will be presented with more options. Under the Visibility settings, you'll find two options, Visible and Hidden. Go ahead and click on Hidden. This action will remove the element from view on your workspace, making it no longer visible on the published site either. It's a straightforward way to control what users see without permanently deleting any content. The element you selected is now hidden, giving you a clutter-free view of your design space and helping you focus on other elements that require your attention. If at any point you need this element to reappear in your design, there's no need to worry. Webflow makes this process as easy as hiding it. Just return to the same Settings section we visited earlier. This time, click on Visible under the Visibility settings. Your element will reappear instantly, including all the styles and configurations it had before it was hidden. By mastering these visibility settings, you gain greater control over your workflow and can manage your workspace more effectively. It's a small detail that can make a significant difference in your design process. Feel free to experiment with this feature and see how it fits into your overall design strategy. Remember, Webflow is all about empowering you to create a smooth and engaging user experience, and controlling element visibility is a key part of that process. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.